Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shotcut for timeline trimming and export easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Shotcut application on your computer. If you haven't installed Shotcut yet, download it from the official website and install it first. Upon opening Shotcut, look for the file menu in the top left corner. Click on File and select Open File from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer to find the video file you want to edit. Select the video file and click Open. Once the video loads, it will appear in the playlist panel. Drag the video from the playlist panel to the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. Now that your video is on the timeline, use the playhead to navigate to the section you want to trim. To trim the beginning of the video, position the playhead at the desired starting point. Right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Split at Playhead. To trim the end, move the playhead to the point where you want the video. Again, right-click on the clip and select Split at Playhead. Select the section you no longer need by clicking on it, and then press the delete. Now you have your desired clip ready for export. To export your trimmed video, click on the File menu again. This time, select the Export option. In the Export panel, choose your preferred video format and quality settings. Once you've adjusted your settings, click the Export File button at the bottom. Choose a destination folder and name for your file. Finally, click Save to begin the export process. Wait for Shotcut to complete the export, and then navigate to the folder where you saved the video. Your trimmed video is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.